How's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to go over the newest model to our lineup, the CRYPT. Alright guys, so although this is a trailer mounted rig with burn barrel and wood storage, I do plan on making caster mounted CRYPTs as well. And we will be designing a smaller model than this 40-inch by 60-inch. So starting down low, we got dual air intakes on the door side or the rear with our signature billet aluminum handles. We got two doors for your coal access. As you can see, the doors are reinforced. And here you can see the entire pit is 2 inches thick with ceramic fiber blanket insulation in between. That is the bottom and all four sides. It does come with dual tell-true thermometers. You got 3 adjustable smoke dampers. And we have gas spring assisted lid. All right, looking on the inside, we got 2 removable cooking grates for easy cleaning. And going around to the back, we also have 2 more air intakes in the rear. That way you can balance out all 4 sides or all 4 corners of the pit and get a nice even cook from front to back. This customer wanted an onboard burn barrel, so we repurposed a 150-gallon propane tank. And we've already ran it and seasoned everything, and it works great. I ran a fire in there for about an hour, and I'd say 4 to 6 shovelfuls transferred into the CRYPT itself got us up to about 250 degrees. And I got it all the way up to 350 degrees, and it just held temperature for at least an hour and a half after that. So the 2-inch insulation really does its job. So over here on the passenger side, we have a 32-inch by 20-inch storage spot. You can put wood, ice chests, or whatever else you can think of. Now walking around to the driver's side, we have more wood storage with a stainless steel lid to keep the rain out, and it doubles as a work surface. Now, being a 40-inch by 60-inch cooker, the lid is extremely heavy, so it is gas shock or gas spring assisted. All the doors, the front access doors, are on self-aligning 5/8 greasable bearings, fully adjustable, as well as the main lid hinges are also on the same bearings, fully adjustable, greasable, 5/8 inch. So it makes opening and closing a breeze. All right, well, that about does it. So if you're interested in the CRYPT or any of our other offset smokers or cookers, you can visit www.deepcreekmetalworks.com, or you can email me at deepcreeksmokers@gmail.com. We're also on Instagram, and you can catch us here on YouTube. Leave us messages or comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you. Bye.